bars on my phone. Don't ask why, just leave me alone. Fucking phone call, just fucked up my flow. Gotta do this shit before I hit the microphone. Gotta be bumping on my earphones. Bass vibrating from my head to my toes. Sitting under a bridge like an ugly troll. Kinda feeling fat, just my role. Get me a pencil, get me a pad. Fuck it, my phone has a keypad. What's in my pocket? It's a 20 set. Holy shit, when did I get that? Wanna roll it up, get fucked up, turn it to a blunt. Tell me what's up. Can't you see I'm typing on my phone?